Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS and I'm going to bring you guys a couple of deals. So hopefully you guys checked out my haul video yesterday. I did let you guys know that I did get a 10 off of 50 on my receipt. So here it goes right here. So I'm planning on using this at the store. I'm going to come up with a scenario. Now, I don't have a plan, but there are a couple of deals I have in mind because yesterday in my haul video, I pretty much did all the deals as far as everything that was on sale. There was a couple of things that I did miss. So let's go in store. Let's spend the 10 off of 50. I do have a couple of coupons, and let's see what I come up with. Probably it'll be a moneymaker. I know yesterday's trip was a 404 moneymaker. Hopefully this one is a moneymaker or I just break even. So let's go inside and see what deals we can find using this 10 off of 50. The first deal is going to be on Garnier Fructis. They're on a promotion this week, and this is not in the ad, for buy two, get a $2 extra buck, and they're on sale 2 for $7. So we're going to use the 4 off of 2 coupon from our 126 RMN, and we also had an instant coupon last week that printed out for all of us, making the total $2, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck, so it works out to be free after extra bucks. So the next item I'm going to grab is the Suave body wash. So this is not giving back any extra bucks and it's not on sale, but I do have a great 2 off of 2 Suave body wash CRT. So these are buy two for $2.39 each, making them $4.78. I'm using the 1 off of 2 coupon from our 126 RMN, and I have a $2 off 2 Suave body wash CRT. So the total works out to $1.78 for both of them, or 89 cents each. So the next deal is going to be on the Softsoap hand soap and the Irish Spring Bar 3-pack. They're on a promotion this week for buy 4, get a $5 extra buck, and they're on sale 4 for $10. So you're going to use 2 50-cent off 1 coupons for the Softsoap hand soap on softsoap.com, making the total $9, but you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So it works out to $4 for all 4 products, or $1 each. So select Febreze products are on a promotion this week for spend 15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're also buy one, get one 50% off. So I'm picking up 2 of the Febreze air sprays for $4.29 each, making them $8.58. And I'm going to pick up 2 of the Febreze air sprays for $2.14, half off each, making them $4.29. I'm going to pick up 1 of the Febreze small sprays for $3.49 and another one half off at $1.74. So the total before coupons is going to be $18.10. I'm going to use 2 of the BOGO coupons for the spray in our February P&G, and those coupons took off $3 for each of them. And I'm going to use 1 for the small space in the same insert, taking off $3. So the total works out to $9.10, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $4.10 for all products, or 68 cents each. So the next item I'm going to grab is the Renew Contact Solution. So they're on a promotion this week for buy 1, get a $3 extra buck, and they're on sale this week for $7.99. I'm going to use a $4 off 1 coupon from our February 2nd Smart Source. We also have a printable version on coupons.com, making the total $3.99, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So this works out to be 99 cents after extra bucks. The last item I'm going to grab is going to be the Speed Stick. They're on the promotion for buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and they're on sale for buy 1, get one 50% off. So I'm going to pick up 1 of them for $3.39. I'm going to pick up 1 of them half off at $1.69. I have 2 50-cent off 1 coupons from our 119 Smart Source, making the total $4.08, but you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So it works out to be $1.08 for both of them, or 54 cents each. Okay guys, so this is everything I picked up using my 10 off of 50. And remember guys, you have to meet $50 before coupons. So the Garnier Fructis was 2 for $7, buy 2, get 2. Softsoap and Irish Spring was 4 for $10, buy 4, get 5. The Renew Solution was $7.99. When you buy 1, you get a $3 extra buck. The Febreze and the Febreze air spray and small space, they're spend 15, get $5 in extra bucks. So one of the sprays was $4.29, another one was $4.29, making both of them $8.58. And then 2 of the air sprays were half off at $2.14 each, making them $4.29. The small space was $3.49, and the other one was half off at $1.74. Suave body wash was regular price $2.39 each, making both of them $4.78. And then the Lady Speed Stick was buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you get a $3 extra buck. So that deal is a limit of 2 this week. So the total before coupons is going to be $52.95. I used that 10 off of 50. That took off the $10, making it $42.95. Now in manufacturer's coupons as well as CRTs, I had a $4 for Garnier, the 4 off of 2. I had $1 from last week, the instant coupon that we all received for Garnier. I had 2.50 for Softsoap from softsoap.com. I had a $4 off coupon for the Renew Solution, and I had 3 buy one get one free coupons. So 2 of them were for the Febreze spray, and 1 of them was for the small space Febreze products. So basically she deducted $3 from each of those coupons. The max value for those coupons is $3. I had the $1 off 2 for the Suave body wash, a $2 off 2 Suave CRT for Suave body wash, and 2 50-cent off coupons for the Speed Stick. So the total worked out to $19.95. I used $20 in extra bucks to pay for this. So the total was free, and I got back $18 in extra bucks. So I spent $20 in extra bucks and got back $18. So I took a $2 loss in extra bucks. But you guys see my haul yesterday, and it was a $404 moneymaker. So basically, I increased my extra bucks by $2 on this card this week. So not bad at all. So overall, my whole haul from yesterday and this one here today was a $2 moneymaker. So not bad at all. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt. Okay, guys, so I'm back from CVS, and everything turned out pretty well. So this wasn't a moneymaker, or I didn't break even. So I lost $2 in extra bucks. But yesterday, it was a $404 moneymaker. So basically, with this card is a $2 moneymaker this week. So I increased my extra bucks by $2. So I got some Febreze products. I got the Softsoap as well as the Irish Spring. I was just trying to figure out what to use that 10 off of 50 on, because as most of you guys saw in my Sunday haul, I did complete most of the deals for the week. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt, show you guys what I came up with, and it's not bad because I got a lot of product. So let me just show you this receipt really quickly. Okay, so there goes the Garnier Fructis right there on sale, 2 for $7. Softsoap and Irish Spring 4 for $10. There goes the contact solution on sale for $7.99. I picked up the Lady Speed Stick, buy one get one 50% off. And then I picked up the Febreze products right here. They were buy one, get one 50% off. And then here goes the 2 Suave body washes for $2.39. So I rolled, these are all my coupons I used. These were the purchase-based coupons that I had, the 10 off of 50. And then I had the $2 off 2 for the Suave and the $1 for the Garnier Fructis from last week. I rolled $20 in extra bucks for this. One of them deducted to $1.94. My subtotal was 0. I had a $301 tax, and I got back a $3 extra buck for the Speed Stick, because that is a limit of 2. So I did the deal yesterday and today. And then I got back the $5 in extra bucks for the household deal, the Febreze deal, which is spend 15, get 5. I got back the $5 for the Softsoap and Irish Spring. I got back $2 for the Garnier Fructis. And I got back $3 for the contact solution. So not bad at all. So I got back $18 and I rolled $20 into this. So $2 loss. But like I said, it's not a loss because I had a $404 moneymaker yesterday. So I increased my extra bucks this week on this card by $2. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Now on my other card, I did shop my second card. I just did a couple of deals to see if I get any threshold coupon at the end of my receipt. I got a 4 off of 60, so I'm definitely going to bring you guys a deal with that 4 off of 60 and my second CVS haul. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Now, before I end this video, guys, I want you to refer back to my Sunday video. So this was my first haul that I did in 2 different transactions. So in the first transaction is when I received that 10 off of 50. And then I'm going to show you guys how much I made in beauty bucks. So I made $9 in beauty bucks from that first haul that I did on Sunday because I hit beauty 3 times. So every 30 you spend on beauty, you get a $3 beauty buck. And then here goes the transaction I just did right now. And also, if you're not signed up for Fetch Rewards, definitely signed up. It's a great app to have. And here's my referral code right there. Also, a great app to get cash back is going to be IBOTTA. So make sure you sign up for IBOTTA as well. And I'm ending this video. Thank you guys for watching.